Good morning, people. Alright, so today I am finally going to be doing the blacked out badges that I got from Subimods. These are the fender ones, and obviously these are the trunk ones. As far as I know, everything is all just two-sided tape, so that should be pretty simple. I'm just going to use the heat gun with my plastic razor blade, and also my trim tool that I just put tape on just so it doesn't scuff stuff up. I don't have the actual plastic trim tools, so work with what you got. But yeah, I will show you my methods. Again, everything should go smooth, but who knows, so just wait and see, I guess. So this is what we're going for. Blacked out, way better than the cheesy chrome that has stains on it. So I'm going to heat that up real quick with the heat gun and see how easily it pries. With enough heat, you should be able to start prying it back. Like so. And taking the tape, two-sided tape along with it, which I'm trying to. Easier on cleanup. Although I do have the goof off ready. Just be careful because obviously the emblem is hot. But yeah, that's it. And this is plastic, so be careful you don't mar it up. I did a little bit right there. But I'm going to clean this up, prep it, and reinstall. Alright, so I went ahead, I cleaned up the area, sprayed it out pretty good. I also warmed it up, so it's hot to the touch with the heat gun. So now, you peel this plastic off the two-sided tape. And there are alignment bits. You just hold. So it goes in. That's it. That side is done. It's way better without the chrome in my opinion. Get to the other side. The process for the other side is the exact same. I'm not going to film the whole thing. I'll just let you know if I fuck anything up along the way. So the side ones are all done. Got black on both sides. I am now going to be attempting to do these. And to help me with that, for alignment, I'm going to use painter's tape. For the WRX one, it's super simple. I'm just going to layer along the bottom, then along the X right there, just so that's centered where it should be. For this one, it's a little bit more difficult because it comes with alignment pieces, or I don't know what you want to call it, but whatever that is. So I have to align the tape along the foam for where the foam actually sits. So it'll be like that. I'll have tape right there and up there, and hopefully it lines up. I guess we'll see. Same process, heat gun, rubber razor for getting it off, but that's after I put the tape down to mark where the original ones actually go. Yeah, I guess we'll see what kind of fuckery we can get into. I would really like to have these level, so hopefully the tape works out. Put the tape on. I think it's pretty good for the offset of the foam to each side of the letter, so that should be fine. WRX one's super easy because that one actually doesn't have any surroundings around it. But now we heat gun and goof off and finish. blacked out badge. There it is. Press down. Hopefully. That's it. I like that. You can see, got some adhesive left over two-sided tape. That's how that side was. So, a little bit of heat, a little bit of goof off, should be good to go. Alright, so I guess now I do this. After I apply this, I'm going to wax everything because you can still see some of the lines from the tape and also from the goof off. So that's not ideal. But hopefully that's it. Alright. That should be enough. Oh yeah, you can really see the line there. I'll have to wax that. Yeah. I think it's the factory spot. Who knows? You guys don't have to see me waxing it though. You've seen that before online. But yeah, easy how-to. Painter's tape worked, and no big issues. So, thanks for watching. Check back for more. I don't know what I'm doing next, but check back for more. Alright, thanks, bye.